In this video, I'm going to show you how you can control who sees your Snapchat stories. Now, if you have somebody who you just don't want them to see your Snapchat stories, here's what you must do. First, you want to open up Snapchat. After you have opened up Snapchat, go to your profile and from profile navigate to the settings. Once you are here, just scroll down until you see privacy controls and then click on view my story. Basically here you can choose who can view your story, so only your friends, or you can do custom, so only a specific few will have access to your stories. And the same thing if you want to change your viewing story for others, and same goes if in the future you just want to choose again who can and can't see your stories. Come back here again, custom, add, block, whatever, or only your friends. And that's the best way to do it, so that you, when you create a story, publish it, only those people you want will be able to see it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.